Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by stopping the service that triggers Office updates. Open Services with Win+R type services. MSC, then locate Office Click to Run or Microsoft Office service. Once found, right-click and choose Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled and click Stop to kill the running process. Make sure you run as administrator so changes persist. This prevents the scheduled background task from initiating downloads. After this step, Office will no longer auto-launch its updater until you re-enable the service. Next, disable updates inside the Office apps themselves so user-level triggers are off. Open Word or another Office app and go to File, then Account or Office Account to find Update options. Choose Update options and select Disable Updates, then accept any UAC confirmation. Once done, Office will stop checking for updates from the app-level control. Make sure to repeat this in Word, Excel, and Outlook because sometimes settings don't propagate immediately across apps. This doubles down on preventing automatic patch downloads. Finish by removing scheduled triggers and verifying system policies. Open Task Scheduler and disable or delete any Office-related tasks under Microsoft Office or Office Click to Run. Once that's handled, check Group Policy, if available, or the Registry for Office Update Policies, and set them to disable automatic updates so the OS-level rules match your changes. Restart the PC to ensure all changes stick. If updates still resume, re-enable the service temporarily to apply a manual update, then re-disable and lock the settings again as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.